In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Crunchyroll to your Amazon Prime Video account via Prime Video channels, enabling you to enjoy Crunchyroll content through your Amazon subscription seamlessly. Let's dive in and get started with the setup process. First things first, ensure that you have an active Amazon Prime membership. This is essential because it grants you access to various channels within Amazon Prime Video, including Crunchyroll. If you're not already a Prime member, you'll need to sign up to proceed with this process. Once your membership is active, you're ready for the next step. Now, within your Amazon account, navigate over to Prime Video and then locate the Channels section. You can get there by simply entering Crunchyroll in the search bar if you'd like to find it quickly. This will bring up the Crunchyroll channel options available in your region. You'll notice there are different subscription plans you can choose from, such as Fan or Mega Fan, depending on your preferences and what's offered in your area. Make your selection based on what suits your viewing habits best. After you've subscribed to the Crunchyroll channel through Amazon, the next step is to link your Amazon account with Crunchyroll. To do this, you need to head over to the Crunchyroll website. You'll be using a specific link for this step, which is sso.crunchyroll.com/register/Amazon. It's a good idea to have this link ready, perhaps by bookmarking it or typing it carefully into your browser. Once on the page, you'll be prompted to select your Amazon account region. It's important to note that this linking feature is available only in select countries, including the US, UK, Canada, Germany, Australia, India, and a few others. So, make sure to pick your correct region from the options provided. Next, you'll need to sign in with your Amazon credentials. This step is straightforward. Just enter your Amazon login information and confirm that you're granting Crunchyroll access to your account. This action allows you to sync your subscription services. After going through these steps and successfully linking the accounts, you should be able to enjoy Crunchyroll content both via Amazon Prime Video and directly on the Crunchyroll app or website. Remember, having your accounts linked means you can enjoy a smoother, more integrated viewing experience, switching between platforms as you like. And that's it. You now have Crunchyroll successfully connected to your Amazon Prime Video account, expanding your viewing options without any hassle. Enjoy exploring the world of anime and manga through Crunchyroll's vast collection, right from your Amazon Prime setup. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance. Happy streaming!